planes in Charlotte.
Hold on, I'm sorry.
I'm taking a movie.
Do it.
So whatever you say will be held against you.
Oh, Andrew.
She's recording now.
I hope you're amused, because I'm just gonna sit here.
Well, you don't have to just sit and listen to Grandma and go,
Okay,
mm-hmm.
go on, Grandma.
But anyway,
That was good.
they in Akron, Canton, they had the.
Susan, wait till you see that. I got that laugh.
I read, and my eyes were all bloodshot.
That was
when I
me.
got down to
I know. I'm going to put it on YouTube too.
Where's the hair? Look at you all, Mr. Conservative.
And so I read the paper.
Gotta do that when you got a job, huh?
They
No,
put
actually, it was pretty
DI
messy a
shirts.
week ago.
Oh, okay. Just trimmed it up for your mom. For the
My
holidays.
eyes.
From what?
Because the DI they do.
Yeah,
those
pretty much
planes.
it does.
Oh,
Took you an awful long time to answer that.
I know.
And they come up
You had
with
to think
a
about it, huh?
to call, and they sprayed this DI stuff right there on the wing.